Our model is no central campus. We're not going to build it. There's no need to build it. We have churches, spaces, buildings, people that can become the community that our students study in. And so they have the advantage and the flexibility of online education, but the incredible value of community and person-to-person interaction. We have no interest in charging 1 penny more to our students than what is needed to educate and equip them. We believe that we can graduate students studying to go into ministry either debt-free or very, very close to debt-free. And our mission is, if you are called to be a ministry leader and you want to hone those skills, get a good biblical foundation training, we are for you. I get that fear that you might have of, can I do this? Am I capable of it? Don't let anyone tell you that you can't do college level work. You can do it. We will surround you with the support, the encouragement, all that you need to get through. Just take one class, trust Him, and go for it.